LeBron said he can't take this shit no more. It's like the NSYNC song. Bye, bye, bye. Woo! Y'all ready for this news? What had the YouTubers? Hush Boy and YouTube didn't Hush Boy Sports. Today is the NBA trade deadline, aka the Cavaliers trade deadline, because a lot of teams been making moves, but the Cavaliers is basically just cleaning house as they should if they want to make a legitimate push for the NBA championship. But let's get a total breakdown of every trade that the Cavs have made up until this point. Let go! First, the big news. Isiah Thomas and Channing Frye and a first-round draft pick were traded to the Lakers for Jordan Clarkson and Larry Nance Jr. Next, Cleveland traded D. Wade to the Heat for a second-round draft pick, basically for nothing. Then the Cavaliers traded D. Rose and Jay Crowder to the Jazz. Sent Iman Shumpert to the Kings. The Jazz traded Rodney Hood to the Cavs, Joe Johnson to the Kings, and the Kings then trade George Hill to the Cavs. The Cavs did a lot of changes so far. They still may not be done. I got to go to sleep and go to work. I don't know what they might do. The Cavs just got a whole lot better. Jordan Clarkson, Larry Nance Jr., Rodney Hood, and George Hill. You got those four. And you got rid of Isiah Thomas, Channing Frye, Iman Shumpert, Jay Crowder, Derrick Rose, D. Wade. I think that's an improvement for the Cavaliers right there. I mean, just with Rodney Hood alone is big. George Hill is big. Jordan Clarkson big. Like, this is a good trade for the Cavs. They needed it. They needed youth. They needed it bad. They needed youth and speed, and they got it right there. They got it. But what do y'all think? Do y'all think the Cavs are going to be talking about something now? Do y'all think they're still going to let me know in the comment section below? Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. Hit some of the other little videos, man. Check me out. I've been working. I got it. But it's your boy, Hush Boy. I'm out there, Bob.
I got Fetty Wap in my pocket, rubber band on me, a wallet. Pull it out and make you holler. I got Fetty Wap in my pocket, rubber band on me, a wallet. Pull it out and make you holler. Y'all